All right, so let's quickly go over the footprint here for the ES for today. Uh, if you know by the other videos that all of these lines that are up here, the red and the green and the pink and the green and the green and the pink and so on and so forth, are all on there in advance of all of this price action. And if you recall also, the pink lines are heavy shorting, right? The red lines are pretty solid shorting, but the magenta lines are big time shorting. So this is not coincidental that we chop around in these areas. I mean, look at this. We came right up to the 31, broke down below these lines by a significant margin. Now here's a giant setup, right? We come right back up to this area. We break through it by about 3 ticks. Can't do anything with it. And what ultimately happens? We get a waterfall decline. We come down to where this area of heavy selling was, and you can see exactly what transpires there. We come back up to it, nothing. Come back up to it, nothing. Come back up to it, nothing. Once again, we come back up to it, nothing. I mean, 4 excellent opportunities for shorts in the ES. And we closed. I mean, look where we closed. It came right back up to it again and couldn't break it. So this is where we are right now. If you recall on the other video that I made about this set of lines, this was from 3 days ago. So technically, these should come off the chart. However, because they were in play so much today, I'm going to keep them on there because obviously that is a dramatic point or an inflection point in price that continues to be played out. So that's really all I wanted to show you on the ES footprint. Just an excellent day for shorting, and I mean in these instances where you see we've got this green line, right, and we break below it. I'll tell you what, this thing is trending down. I'm not going long. There's no way I'm going long. I'm not going long until this thing starts going back up. And when it starts going back up with some decent significance, now when we come back down here, I might think about going long. I didn't, just simply because of the fact that the trend was down. But that's the only, I'm not touching any of this because I need to see some type of confirmation that there's been a turn. And if this continues to move lower, that's certainly not a confirmation that we've made that turn. So I still have to go through and put on the lines that are going to be of significance for today's session, and I'll do that in a little bit. But I just wanted to show this to you guys, and there were like 5 awesome opportunities to short the shit out of this thing. So that's all I wanted to show you. Go back and check this video out again and look at all those areas where we came right back up to where all that shorting occurred. Alrighty, I will talk to you guys later.